Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. I have the Eachine LAL3 in my hands. It's a 3-inch FPV racing FPV freestyling quadcopter with the Caddx Turtle V2. So this is basically Eachine LAL3 HD. I'm gonna fly it with 3S and then 4S because this is a 3 to 4S capable. So I'll test the performance on both batteries, on 3S and 4S, and see how it goes. So this is a nice area to basically fly and, you know, do some FPV freestyling and test it right here for the speed and performance. And after I'm a little used to it, I'll bring it to stadium area and try to do some power loops around stadium roof and some other places. So let's just fly it first. And if you want to see the specs, check them out right here.
Oh yeah, that was the right decision.
Already low battery, come on. I didn't even do much. Already low battery, man, come on. I'm just rolling around for no use. You know, I need to put in 4S. Yeah, already low battery.
Turtle mode activated. Time a little higher.
Yeah, next time a little higher. Let me change to 4S 520 milliamp. It says 4S 650, but I have only 520 or 850 milliamp, so let's give it a try. Alright, now we have the 4S battery.
Wicked. Oh yeah, that was the right decision.
Yeah, baby, now we are talking. I need more rates, higher rates. I need faster flips. Ooh, this place. That's why we have lots of turbulence. Already low battery? Come on. Wait a minute, let me show you something. You see that sweet aircraft park in there? There. Someday, I'm gonna have a ride in that.
Turtle mode activated.
Bringing it back in turtle mode because low battery. Okay, so 850 milliamp is like this. Should be able to fly. Motors have plenty of power anyway, so. What kind of battery they sold me? E-top, come on, you said it was 95C. Doesn't look like 95C. Looks more like a 35C to me because the way it's dying, it's saying low battery. It's really crappy. I mean, the quadcopter is absolutely beautiful performer right here, but this battery is really terrible. Man, I have to talk about this quadcopter and its performance. It is definitely a sweet FPV ripper. I need to really get me some racing packs. Very, very high burst rating and high speed rating racing packs now. Yeah, gotta activate turtle mode. Man, I'm really disappointed in these batteries. I need to get I need to get some really high quality batteries, man. I'm not done with this yet. I mean, check this out. You see this camera angle? I can actually put it more high. Now you see? I want to fly it on this camera angle with 4S. But the way batteries are dying, I'm just, you know, really sad. So, let me order some really nice quality race packs and then we will see what LAL3 can do. I still got 2 more batteries, so let's move and go back to our old area and fly there. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.